now we go ahead back to the phone. I like to hold this, and like I'm used to connection. What you can do is, if you don't know how to connect, practice on another phone first, on a broken phone, or pay very, very much attention. Otherwise, you don't want to mess up the connections, you know. So I have been doing this for a while. It makes it a little bit easier. Little bit. Still not a lot, but hey, it's good enough. Good enough to get the job done. So now what we do is we connect this part. Align matching it. Just however we take it out, the best thing is to put it back the same way. That's one way not to mess up. I don't know if it's good, the camera is catching this up or not, but that's how you do it. Very simple and easy. Connect. And the reason I start posting these things because I think YouTube makes money. So I'm like, I want followers. If you're watching this, if it's any kind of helpful to you to watch this, please subscribe. The other screws are the same size. The one on the right for iPhone 7 is a little bit bigger. iPhone 8 varies on different parts, which part have bigger screw, which part doesn't. But we're doing the 7, so let's focus on the iPhone 7 now. I have done some other videos where I tell you guys how to do it, but I like to be straight to the point. I don't want to beat around the bush. Just like, hey, this is how it's done, not wasting your time. Now you see this part? Once you're done like a book, you see, this is what I meant. If this is higher and lower, it won't fit, and the screen, this part doesn't close, it shows different color. So you got to make sure, match it exactly like the way you have it on the other part. This part, you insert it like, well, not moving this higher, just insert the top part. Just want to make sure it's in, you see? Now, go to the bottom part of it. Sometimes I have issue, this metal part's kind of like sticking out and stuff. What I do is I use something like this. Just press it. Anything. You can use anything. If it requires a lot of pressure, that means something is not right. But if it doesn't, that means you're good. You're good. That's turning on. Looks like success. But until I put the screws, I'll wait for it to turn on so I can try the touch. Touch is the most important thing. The home button is the most important thing. Without those two things, basically you're losing money instead of making money. I do give classes on how to repair in Houston. If you're in Houston, or if you like to move to Houston to get your classes, please go ahead and subscribe and write a comment on my channel. Okay, perfect. Done. Touch works. Thank you. Have a blessed day and subscribe.